Hey there, I'm here to share my review on this really nice two-person rocker for your deck or patio. So here's what it looks like with your cushions on. They are very thick, as you can see by the size of my hand. So there's a lot of nice padding. Both, they're actually one solid piece all the way across and one solid piece across the bottom. Your upper pillows do have tie backs as well, so everything has a tie back so that you can tie it back. Now I'll show you a little video clip of the frame and then also all the pieces. I have it set up in my sitting area down by our camping area. It just contrasts with the green so nice and is super comfortable. So I have the seat all put together and it only took about an hour. You do have a lot of like bolts in the frame, and thankfully this company sent along one of these, which makes it super handy for putting these in. But otherwise you can kind of see the design of the frame. So now I'll put the cushions on it. When it comes to the pieces, you have two bags where your pillows are deflated. You also have two separate ones. And then you have those two rockers, this back one, you have those two, and these two along with two arms. So this is all the pieces that you're going to get for the two-seat rocker.